Hey everyone, welcome back to the Better Arizona Show. I'm Sarah Carlstrom. Here's something to think about. Did you know 50% of the population has not been to the dentist in over 10 years? You know that's not good. The biggest reason, fear. I have Dr. Kevin Gasser here with me from Gasser Dental, and that is a scary statistic, I think. 50% have not been to the dentist in 10 years.
That's a fact. It's actually sometimes in my office, we've been in practice for 20 years, and we commonly have patients that tell us they haven't been to the dentist in 30 or 40 years.
I want to kind of narrow in a little bit about implants because I know there are a lot of people out there that need an implant. Remind people what an implant is if they do not know.
Simply put, it's a man-made tooth root that's gently put into the jawbone, which can sound scary, and that's why some people just simply don't do it. The recent surveys show the 4 main things that people are afraid of when they go to the dentist. The first thing being when they're told they have to have a tooth pulled, when they're told they have to have a tooth drilled on. Number 3, when they're just told they have really bad teeth. That's scary for them. And then finally, when they're told that they have to have something like a dental implant done and it's going to involve needles. People hate needles. Those are the fears that keep people from benefiting from the wonderful aspects of dental implants.
We've talked before, and it's very interesting because when you ignore dental work, I've told you I'm a person that has had a lot of dental problems. It only gets worse.
It does, but you'd be amazed what people will tolerate. They'll tolerate terrible teeth and all the problems that go with it, emotionally and physically, rather than face that fear. It's such an amazing, powerful situation for them. So thank goodness there's a solution.
Well, what is that solution? Tell us about that.
Simply put, it's IV sedation. It's the use of medications to provide safe and effective dental care for the stress-intolerant patient. It really takes away that anxiety. It provides a very safe environment, anxiety-free, pain-free, and it also helps to prevent medical emergencies that come from patients being really nervous about their appointments while they're there.
Nothing was painful. There was no pain at all with any of this. I just started to relax and let it go and just kind of drifted off and let him do his work.
Some people might not realize people avoid the dentist because they're severe gaggers. They can't tolerate the procedures. Nobody can even put a mouth mirror in their mouth. People that need complex procedures, people that need longer procedures, and even there are some patients that are resistant to the regular local anesthetics. For those folks, IV sedation is a blessing.
It is a blessing, and we're looking at pictures of before and afters. With technology and what you're doing at your clinic, you can make people literally beautiful, change the way they look and feel about themselves, and implants really quickly too. It's changed. We're not talking about visit after visit after visit.
No, your point is well taken. In fact, our most popular procedure is called the Mallow Clinic All-on-4 implant procedure, and that involves having new teeth put in, implant teeth, in one day, one surgical appointment. That's how fast the transformation can be in the presence of IV sedation. It can change, and it does change people's lives. We want to offer them the opportunity to contact our office and have a free consultation that will be painless. And we'll also offer them a dental CAT scan that's normally $425 at no charge as well. So you're right, there really is no excuse.
All right, that number, 623-972-8217, or you can go to their website at drgasser.com. Get it taken care of. There's nothing to be afraid of, isn't that right?
Something to look forward to.
That's right. Thank you so much. And the Better Arizona Show will be right back.